What could be keeping Louisa?
At this point, I must say that Louisa's lifestyle is beginning to piss me off. I mean, we all went to that party together last night. And here we are. Where could she be with that guy I saw her with yesterday at that party?
I am beginning to get worried. Honestly, I just hope she's safe. Louisa is safe. That I know for sure. She's safe. But I mean, how can she go home with a guy she hardly knows? I mean, who does that?
Babe, you talk as if you don't know Louisa again. That babe is ready to sleep with anything as far that person is willing to drop. And we all know that. So...
Seriously, this particular habit is beginning to get on my nerves. You girls need to stop already. You need to. It's no longer funny. See who is talking. Swear you did not sleep with Didi last night. Me? Sleep with Desmond. What for? No, seriously, what for? It's not even as if I like him to want to do such a thing with him.
Wait. Hey, babe. Don't tell me you did not give it to him last night. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Stop playing. Wait, are you joking? Don't tell me you're still a virgin. Last I checked is my life. And I choose to give it to whoever is worth it. Not just anyone. Okay. Okay.
I no go lie you, I don't tire. See as everywhere just dry. Everywhere just be like say they pursue people for here. Nothing dey happen. Eh? Na so we go dey.
I dey tell you this. See, you see this taxi work. No be say I too like am o. But as long as say e put food for my table, I'm okay o. I no go kill myself o. I'm okay o. Dey talk.
You don't understand. Be like say the level where you dey there. Now this same person go build house. You see story. Mawada. Now this kind of person go.
But you tell me say you carry guests yesterday now. Maybe you carry guests go buy them
yesterday.
No,
now I carry them go yesterday. They say make I come back in the morning, come carry them.
Go collect your money now.
No, I reach there, the girls don't come out. I don't ever see work since morning. Wait till you say I dey here dey talk. Nothing now. Nothing just there anywhere. I don't tire. Person go work, be like say he get small money. The next thing, he go carry that same money, put for this car. If I want finish now, he go tell me say he want new radiator. Now I go carry the money where I take say buy radiator. Or headlight go spark, go back. I know they drive for night without light. Or tire go bust. Now so say this guy, and they collect the money. Let me so I beg. I want hammer, no be this kind of life I want for myself.
Donka, I mean I want to go. You start to look you. I want hammer. I don't fear you. I don't fear you. When I tell you to start.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. You want hammer. Before you know now, you don't follow Yahoo boy. You go follow Curtis. You go follow this one. Cause you want to drive big motor. You see me, it's gonna be say I like this job, but I slap them, they put food for my table. Me, I'm okay. I'm not gonna keep myself, and I'm not gonna do bad thing. I don't fear you. Hammer.
I mean, you know be the same now.
Okay. So they start.
Maybe. The right guy will be giving her a trophy for giving him her virginity.
My darling, there is no trophy to be won for keeping your virginity.
But wait though. Han, you didn't give Andy your virginity, even when you claim to love him so much. No offense, madam. Who do they keep the virginity for? Who are you reserving your virginity for? Who?
Jacinta. bring Andy into this?
Whatever.
Did you have to bring Andy into this?
You're not supposed to mention Andy's name. You're wrong. I'm sorry, babe. Don't, please. Annabelle, sorry now. Anne.
Sorry, babes.
I'm sorry.
The mother is to stay one place. Don't on a serious note to me. Go and apologize.
I'm sorry.
Babe, sorry.
This is what I don't like. Imagine all her phones are off.
I hope she's okay.
That guy that she was with yesterday, does any of you know him?
No?
Look at what she's putting all of us into right now.
It's past 12 and she's not here. What do we do?
I would say we go back to the club and search for her.
Good idea, too.
Hey girls.
Start talking.
Louisa, what explanation do you have to what you just did?
A lot, a whole lot. Let's start with the fact that I found myself a man. I have a new coach. I met him at the birthday bash and he's been all over me since we met. And young too. Chief, I'm the latest here.
Seriously?
Yes.
Louisa, you mean you just met this guy and both of you are all over each other? Just like that?
Of course. It was love at first sight.
I don't think so. I think you just simply carried away with fantasies.
Are you sure you didn't have sex with this guy?
She had sex with him.
You girls are entitled to your opinion.
Louisa, it is going to be absurd if you actually opened your legs to a man you met just yesterday night.
You girls are entitled to your own opinions. I am just thrilled that I have finally found myself a younger man that is single too, rich, with 6 packs, and he's all over me. That is my own problem now.
So, what are you going to do about Senator Briggs now that you have found love?
He's still relevant in my life. Very much relevant.
How? How do you want to do it? No. Don't tell me you want to keep the 2 men. Because it is very dangerous. You and I know that Senator will kill that guy if you see him anywhere close to you.
He won't do anything. What do you expect?
Okay.
You want me to remain a mistress to a married man with 2 wives? Is that your prayer for me? What will happen if I marry this one that is young, with 6 packs, and he's single too? I beg, he will not do anything.
I love the sound of that. You're beginning to sound reasonable. But advice, do away with the whole idea of keeping Senator Briggs and that guy. Discard Senator Briggs and focus on this guy that you are claiming to be head over heels in love with. Love at first sight.
We had so much fun, I'm telling you, like... I had a lot to eat and drink.
You keep saying a lot to eat and drink. Was it just the food?
Nothing happened. Why you guys without it?
You kept us worried.
I'm sorry. But you know when you find love, you know you don't have sense again.
Yeah, you get what they see for you. You see as keke people just they get passengers like say tomorrow no, all of us pack for you. Guy, be like say na keke me I go enter.
Not true you talk. No say get one guy wey dey my compound. Now opposite me like this in the state. Now keke dey drive. Go tell me all those 100 naira, 50 naira, 200 naira. At the end of the day, if they gather am.
Na money now.
Na money. Keke dey go well o. Keke dey go well.
Na keke I go enter. I dey tell you, those guys they make better money. And people know that people they like. When we say they go enter, breeze go they blow them. Maybe that one wey go enter. Let's say now all those ones we get AC. Those Uber guys. But all this our type people know they really like na keke o. Na keke things they like.
I tell you. See.
Now make I jeje go print this my complimentary card. If I drop you, I go just carry and give you. If you want my services, you call me. At least with that one now, you don't say no, I work they come. But they say now here where we park, okay? You know go get passenger like that too.
I know, but even at that step, this complimentary card wey dey talk. Don't be for this kind of taxi now.
No,
only taxi wey get AC wey balance well now.
Wetin be wey get AC wey balance well?
The taxi wey dey do. Me, I don't like this idea of complimentary card.
Oga no be complimentary card, na compliment card.
Yeah, lecturer, first class. See your certificate na be taxi. Na taxi na dey take graduate you. I hear you, Englishman.
This one wey you talk pay me sha. Because I know wetin I suffer for school. Now I just open my use and dey. Hello? Yes, they are available. Okay, I dey come there. That roundabout, abi? I dey come now.
Don't carry a passenger.
Na passenger.
A passenger just get like this.
I swear down. I dey come. I go see you later now. Show you.
Hey! This complimentary card dey work. I don't want to see myself now. I'll just go sleep. I won't go sleep because the way where this junction be for my eye, nobody won't carry taxi today. Nobody won't carry taxi. I won't go sleep. I can't see now wait again.
Hello, babe. What are you doing?
I'm just here idling away.
Can I visit you?
You want to see me?
Am I not free coming to see you?
I never said that. If you want to, you can come.
Alright, you'll see me before you know it.
I will be waiting.
Very well. Love you.
Seriously.
Are you doubting me?
You will have to prove it.
How do you want me to prove to you that you mean the whole world to me? How?
I don't know, but you still have to prove it.
Very well then. I should prove it. I'm coming.
Why can't you relax your mind? Nothing where you dey find. Only God go give them to you. Taxi, not taxi man he be. A young man where they hustle to survive. He just said taxi man, where get good heart yo. Taxi, not taxi man he be. A young man where they hustle to survive. He just a hustle to survive. Taxi man, taxi, not taxi man he be. A young man where they hustle to survive. The only taxi man where they share compliment cards. Taxi, not taxi man he be. A young man where they hustle to survive. If he drops you anywhere, he go give you one card, yo. Taxi, not taxi man he be. A young man where they hustle to survive. This life is a choice. Anyhow, you choose to live your life, so be it, yo. baby, baby, more. Sweetie, sweetie, more. Never judgeable, like it's covered. Baby, baby, more. Sweetie, sweetie, never you conclude, oh, because of appearance. I know. After all said and done, Abako, and then after everything, you check, yeah. Taxi, taxi, not taxi man, he be.
I said it. So Donka is not yet back from where they called him since. I said it. This idea of driving a taxi with complimentary card. No, me, I'm not okay with it. How am I sure it's no ritualists that have called him? I'm not sure Donka is okay. Let me go and check. I'm not sure.
Taxi, taxi, that taxi man, he be a young man where they hustle to survive. This life is a job.
Where are your friends?
They've all gone out.
You like staying alone?
Don't you just like it?
It's good. It has one definition, which means my girl is reserved, homely, and cultured.
Correct.
So tell me, what do you do? Like, what do you do for a living?
I thought I told you I'm a student at the State University.
Oh, my bad. I totally forgot.
Forgiven.
So what's your discipline?
I am studying French.
French?
Mm-hmm.
You're not serious.
I am.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, merci. Seems you know a thing or two about French.
Sure. I was born in Togo.
It's a lie.
Homie, precisely.
Okay. I think I'll be taking French lectures from you now, not my lecturers anymore.
If you don't mind.
I don't.
Wow.
Very fluent.
Nice.
Very fluent with it.
What you do?
What kind of life is this? What kind of life is this? What kind of country? How did I end up here? Eh? A graduate like me doing a taxi job. Eh? Is this how I'm going to continue? This is no longer funny. It's no longer funny to me at all. Eh? Every now and then I send CVs to different companies, different offices, nothing to show for it. They'll tell me come today, come tomorrow, come today, come tomorrow. Every day, nothing. Eh? Some will even collect money from me and tell me, don't worry. Collect this money, give me this money, I'll make provision for job. After giving them the job, they'll tell me story. Either they say you're not Igbo, or you're not Hausa, or you're not Yoruba. It's just so much. So much. Eh? A graduate like me. See what I'm doing. Taxi. Every day they will insult me. Every day. It's not even that honestly, who am I even complaining to? So when someone sees me, they will think I'm running mad. But it's just too much for me. I can't deal. Huh? Me that is supposed to be working in an oil company. Every day I'm on the road. Every day. That's where the country has placed someone. Because I'm not a rich man's child. If I'm a rich man's child, it's my father to just make call and say, do these things, give my son a job. What a man will do now? It's well. It's well.
I have to take my leave.
But you just go here. What's the rush?
Nothing. I got you this.
Are you for real? Whoa!
They're all for you.
You're serious. Wow. Wow. This looks nice.
You like it?
Like them. I love them. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's so thoughtful of you. Come here.
You deserve every bit of what you get from me. I've not even started. You're here to get more.
Thank you.
Always welcome.
Hustle to survive. He just a hustle to survive. Taxi man, taxi. Not taxi man, he be a young man where they hustle to survive. The only taxi man where they share compliment cards. Taxi. Not taxi man, he be a young man where they hustle to survive. If he drops you anywhere, he go give you one card, yo. Taxi, that taxi man, he be a young man where they hustle to survive. This life is a choice. Anyhow, you choose to live your life, so be it, yo.
How far now?
Baby, ma. Sweetie, ma.
Where you dey now?
Like it's covered.
On this bar, you go sleep.
Sweetie.
Come on, it be like saying that wetin I go do now. Everywhere still dry. No wahala.
After all said and done, Abako, and then after everything.
Louisa, you mean your new spec brought all those gifts I saw in there?
He did.
That guy is more serious than I thought.
Of course.
That guy is deeply in love with my girl.
And I'm a sweet girl.
I think it is high time you drew the line.
What do you mean?
It's obvious this Bob guy is madly in love with you. So, choose between him and Senator Briggs.
Louisa here is an adult. And she is in the center of it all. And it's in her position to make a decision.
Well, our babe here has actually confided in us and told us that she doesn't want to be a third wife.
True.
So if I'm to say, I would ask you to choose Bob.
And I feel you shouldn't be quick in making decisions. Yes. Take your time. Weigh the two guys. And then know what to do.
It's going to be a shame if those two men figure out you are cheating on them. You know, she just met Bob. So I think she's trying to figure out who to leave or who to stay with. And it's not going to be an easy decision. I still maintain that that's if I'm to say, if you take my opinion. Go for Bob. This whole idea of dating an old married man, it does not just add up. I don't fancy it.
Well, it's your choice, baby.
But Donka, talk that thing when you talk. That's the thing they do me for body.
I say, For Okweke Junction. You know that hotel where they...
I know him.
Confirm. Now one guy carry one girl go there, lost for 2 days. Now the guy discharged. So as cleaners go there, make they for tidy the room. Now they see say the guy where him and the girl follow lost for there. Say the guy don't tie the girl legs, tie in hand, tie him for back. Naked though. Maybe say you just tie, just naked and tie him for there. Gag him mouth, make she no shout.
Jesus.
Discharge.
This one is pure wickedness.
Pure wickedness, oh.
So that means even the cleaner will go there go see the nakedness of the girl now?
Yes, now. Hey! Some people, I'm surprised say he never, maybe, with the time they no release them for internet. Because I know some people they record them.
Hey!
No be say he tie him. He tie and finish carrying phone, discharge. He thief his phone, thief bag where he carry come.
How do one country find that kind of person now?
That's some people they say, that's now it serves all these girls, right? Where they follow people where they don't know, who they lost for.
That be the thing. Waka.
So when they say waiting, how they go find the guy based on what you
yes, now they don't fit find that guy.
Now when they call me for the matter, I say may they check CCTV. Now the manager come they say, nobody. I don't understand why you go put CCTV. You know put who go they monitor the CCTV.
Fuck up.
Now fuck up now. Now when everything don't happen for you, can't go they side CCTV. So CCTV say na black and white. Their own na black and white CCTV.
No.
The guy face be like,
hey.
You know this, anyway, man, no talk.
They're not going to find that guy.
If you say, but me, I say, I go find him. Because to zoom him in, but the face not really care. But for this town, we go find that guy. You know, we go scot free.
I want to find him.
Forget, leave that one for me now. Maybe our town, this small town.
But this dey happen for this our town. This dey happen, no.
So everybody need to be careful. No, you say person carry fine car, you see, I'm full enter, go hotel.
All these guys. The way where their leg they move. The way their leg they move for this.
You get what say na only time. Say you know they no kill and cut.
What cut the body now?
Hey, they just dry you. I don't understand.
This is our work.
I wasn't expecting to see you by my gate today.
That's because you refused to see me after that night. Mama, don't say that because you had my number. If you wanted to see me, you call me.
Well, I've been very busy, I'm sorry.
So, where are we going today?
I'm going for a job hunt, so...
Okay. Alright. Let me say I go carry you for the whole day. Now, anywhere where you go, make me follow me.
Oh, no. I'm pretty sure you have a lot of things to do. Just drop me off and you can go.
Mama, no worry. I mean, say make we dey go. That one no the issue. Just tell me where we go. I go wait for you. That one no the issue. Yeah?
Thank you.
So how you dey since now?
Don't mind this jobless lady.
Why they call yourself jobless? You know jobless.
My brother, it has not been easy.
So, for waiting you study, sir?
Medicine.
Medicine?
Yeah.
That is to be doctor?
Yes.
Wow, now better cause be that too. Your family go dey proud of you. You know what it be medicine?
Yes, they are.
Wow. So, now me say where you dey go find work now for hospital?
Exactly.
So which hospital where would they go now?
Well, I want to go and submit my CV at Mabel Hospital.
Mabel Hospital? Where that Mabel dey, sir? Mabel. Okay, Ofe Road. Okay, no wahala now.
I expected you will know the place.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I pray say you go work out though.
I pray so too.
No, say doctor they find work. Wow. Smart thing. Hello? Who be this? Oh, make I come meet you if you can't carry you. I I beg no verse, so I know if you come now. I get work, eh? I never know when I go finish. No verse, just call another. Wait, make I send you number where you go call, eh? Okay.
Bob, you were telling me about one girl you just met.
Honestly, you need to see her. You really need to see this girl.
Wow. What's her name?
Pretty Lois. Louisa.
Wow. I have no doubt in my mind, at least from her name, Louisa. She'll be a very pretty girl.
Sometimes you sound like a soothsayer of a truth. She's wonderful. You need to see her look. She's tall. Whenever I look right into her eyes, I see a gentle, respected, and reserved woman.
You don't mean it. So why? Take me to her. When am I seeing her?
Come on, don't be in a hurry. We'll see her later in the day. I think I'll be going towards a place later in the day.
Wow, that would be great. I know, I really can't wait to see this girl. I just capture your heart. Man, look at the way you're sounding. She's really pretty, I must say.
You see, from the very moment I set my eyes on this girl, I knew something changed in me. You know, I met her the very day I broke up with Monique.
Forget it. Monique is out of the picture.
That makes it more historic.
I don't even know why you are bringing her name up here. Well, honestly, let's just focus on this particular girl you're talking about. Take me to her. Let me see her. I mean, I need to have a clearer picture of what you're saying.
I will.
Definitely.
I will. You see her and you'll be the judge yourself.
Of course. Can't wait.
Well, let me just freshen up so we'll go out.
Take care. You make it snappy.
Sure, I will.
Okay.
Hustle to survive. He just a hustle to survive. Taxi man, taxi. That taxi man, he be a young man where they hustle to survive. The only taxi man where they share.
Go.
I've submitted my CV. They promised to get back to me.
Okay. Nice one, Dr. Annabelle.
Oh, please.
Alright, let's go to eat something.
I'll just eat when I get home.
No, I refuse. Let's go, I'll get you lunch.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hustle to survive. The only taxi man where they share compliment cards. Taxi. That taxi man, a young man where they hustle to survive. If he drops you anywhere, he will give you one card. Taxi. That taxi man. This life is a choice. Anyhow, you choose to live your life, so be it. Baby, ma, sweetie, ma, never judge a book by its cover. Baby, ma, sweetie, never you conclude because of appearance. After all said and done, Abako, and then after everything, you check taxi, that taxi man he be a young man where they hustle
It's your door.
I'm no vex, so they say I go change the food door. Me, I never really get money to change the food door. I just follow them up like that.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
It's alright.
You're welcome. Okay, go eat now.
Sorry, hold on.
What's with that? Aha. Mama, if na money, make you forget them all.
You're fair.
No worry. No worry. Just hold on.
Duncan, you've done enough. I insist to take your fare.
Mama, don't worry. You need it.
Okay, I understand. Let me add something.
No. Mama, you don't get it. It's not about adding anything. Just hold on. You feel need money normally, maybe to buy something. I'm okay. I'm fine, honestly.
Okay. Thank you.
It's fine. I believe say if you get this work where they find now, you go to find me money now. Normally as they be. I go be now.
Thank you. What a guy. He drove me round town in search of job and still brought me back without collecting his fare. And also bought me food. He bought me food. Oh, he's such a nice guy. Such a nice guy. Are there good men like this?
What a guy.
What's the big deal in what he did? He did what every young man's supposed to have done.
Jacinta, please don't tell me you're an ingrate. Just appreciate what the cab guy did.
Jacinta, did you give him any money to hold for you?
Understand?
Did you give him 1 naira to hold for you? And don't forget, he did not charge Annabelle anything for rendering his services to her. Yet he got us this very delicious food.
Delicious. Anyways, I don't know why you guys are attacking me. I did not say that I am not grateful.
But you're acting like you're not.
Hey!
You're not saying that you are not grateful, but I perceive ingratitude in your speech.
Oh! Only for this mama put that the cab driver bought for us. They will not let me hear word in this house. It's not as if the food is even sweet, so.
What is it? Your eye will see what your mouth cannot see.
She says it's not sweet.
It's not sweet. She says it's not sweet. And so your neck is
I don't understand. I'm just managing the food, that's all.
I'm not managing anything. We are hungry. You guys very hungry. Come on, eat before you die.
If they follow you, they will press your neck, break you.
Let me just manage this.
Your mouth.
No, they'll just abandon.
All my friends have graduated. Even Annabelle. She's done with service. I am still here, writing carryovers upon carryovers. When my mates were writing tests and exams, I was busy gallivanting. with Senator Briggs. I even traveled with him to Abuja. Tired. Who is there? Please help yourself. Come in. I'm very tired. I don't even have the energy to get up. Hi, Doctor.
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Yes. Well, everywhere's looking lonely. Where's everybody?
I just got back from school and I met nobody in the house.
Oh, okay. That's good to hear. Okay, I just stopped by to see you girls.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I got you guys this.
Oh, don't come. This is a lot.
Oh, come on. It's nothing.
You're such a nice guy. Thank you very much.
Oh, come on. It's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, I have to run along. Help me tell Annabelle I stopped by, yeah?
I will.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Such a great guy. I wish Annabelle would just accept to date him. He's good looking too.
This guy is something else.
I know.
He's too good to fault.
I'm telling you, he's such a nice guy. And what shocks me every time is that he has really small, he has little, or even nothing, but he enjoys sharing it.
Exactly my point. Since you don't have any guy you're seeing now, why don't you give Duncan a chance? Date him.
Are you being serious right now?
What have I said that is wrong?
Miracle, you are talking rubbish. You are talking... How can you even say that? Eh? How can you advise Annabelle to date that broke, dirty cap guy? Instead of Desmond, who has been there, who has been all over her, who has been coming around, who has been struggling to be, and he's nice, he's good, he's cute. What for? Who does that?
Anyway, it is her duty to do what's best for her.
Okay. My own is that guy is nice, very nice. You need to have seen me. I almost jumped out of my skin when he opened his handsome mouth to say, I got you guys this stuff. Joy. Filled my heart.
You know, I don't know why you girls are even working yourselves up. It's not as if I am ready for any relationship right now. I'm not.
In as much as I know what you're up against, baby girl, you know you need a man. Yes, you do. And Duncan is good.
You think?
I know. See, he's doing all this just to get your attention.
What nonsense attention are you talking about? What attention? Eh? See, the next time that dirty guy will step into this house with that his rubbish gift, I will give him the piece of mind.
You will not try it. Watch me do it.
It's not your business.
I'll see it one day.
It's not your business.
No, it's not your business. It's not good for me. How do you know? You don't know.
Asaba, I'm finally here. Oh my God. Okay. Can't wait to tell my billionaire at the town. Let me call it right away.
He doesn't have money.
It's not your business.
He doesn't have money.
But it's not your business.
I cannot support
Mind your business.
I cannot.
You spend money too much.
Money everything.
What is it?
money, everything.
What is even going on, sir? Imagine. What do you mind? A low life. Trying to mingle with big girls. I won't allow it. My feathers. Baby.
Hello, beautiful. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you. I'm very well, just that I'm missing you.
You know I miss you way, way more.
So, how is Abuja?
Oh, Abuja is fine. Abuja is doing just great. But I am currently in Asaba. I just touched down.
You can't be kidding me. You're in Asaba.
I'm not kidding you. I am in town. I'm in Asaba.
Okay, darling. See you in a jiffy. Love you.
Thank God for life. I just can't wait to see my baby.
My Felix is in town! The big guy is in town. Big and rich. He's in town. So, let me go and get ready. Meet him up. That's how I use your points. Please, don't go for brokers. Go for big girls. So please let me go and dress up. I'm going to meet my guy.
You're not even serious.
Baby, go for big guys. God forgive you. Oh my God.
Knowing her has been the best thing that has ever happened to me. God, I'm so grateful for this day.
Jacinta, what is keeping you?
Cinta, please come out already.
What's wrong with you guys? I want to look good for my guy, okay?
Women and makeup. What are you painting?
Yes, babe, sir.
Wow.
Set.
La baby, la hot.
You look fabulous.
Thank you. So, I'll see you guys later. Let me go and have fun. Bye.
Felix will eat you up.
Yes, that's awesome.
He will eat you up. You look dangerously beautiful.
Bye, girls.
Oof.
I have missed you so much, my love.
I've missed you, Mom. So, how is Abujan business?
Well, it's good. We're kicking it. So how are your friends?
They're there. They're fine.
And you said Annabelle was done with her youth service?
Yes, Annabelle is around. Just that she is giving everybody cause to worry. Yes.
How so? I don't understand.
Could you believe that? Annabelle practically refused to date any other man since the death of Andy.
You see, baby, in all honesty, I totally understand everything she's going through right now. Andrew was a great guy. He was a jolly good fellow. And we were all there when he was gruesomely murdered in cold blood.
Yes. But it's been a while. She should just get over it and move on.
Of she has to.
Annabelle is a nice girl, a very good girl. She deserves better.
I know, baby. Now let's focus on us. All right? Let's talk about us.
So.
You've been looking beautiful, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm so happy to see you.
Too. So happy to see it.
This cab guy is too nice to a fault.
Honestly, I don't even know where he gets the money to buy all this thing for us every time.
Because it's a lot. Yeah? Okay.
I think I'm beginning to like him.
You like him?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with you liking him, but you really have to be careful.
Careful about what?
You never can tell. Be careful.
She said like, she did not say love.
Because what's the difference?
I never can tell too.
Really nice.
He's trying. And he got us bread too.
Yeah. And I like him. He's cool.
Yeah.
He's just there.
So, baby, tell me. Are you done with your project?
Yes, I'm done, but I'm not done with typing.
How long have you been typing for?
The typist is not yet done.
The typist?
Yes.
I thought you were the one typing it yourself.
Baby, I don't have time to type. I have to give it to her to help me type.
You don't have time. I mean, what exactly have you been doing all this while? Not like you have a job now. Babe, please don't tell me you're lazy like that.
Baby. Yes, I understand. I should have done it myself. Oh.
Cinta, you're a graduate of computer science. Now tell me one thing that typeist is going to do to your project that you cannot do yourself.
Baby, are you angry with me right now?
I'm just saying, if you had typed that project yourself, by now you could have finished it. That's all I'm saying.
I hate stress. I don't like stress.
Excuse me? You hate stress? Excuse me.
Baby, see, this shouldn't be a problem to us, please.
Listen, I'm not saying it's a problem, but...
Yeah, hello? Are you normal? What do you mean you're confused? Are you trying to tell me you can't handle a situation in my absence? Even as a general manager? My friend, just look for a way around it and don't call me on phone. What's your problem? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
So Jacinta is not back yet?
She expects her to come back when her boyfriend, the son of a multi-billionaire, is in town.
But Jacinta is lucky. Very lucky. She always attracts rich and good men.
Let me ask you, between Collins and Felix, who do you think Jacinta would choose as husband?
You know, she loves them. She loves them equally. I mean, I believe or I think who proposes to her that's the person she will choose. Right?
Really? Miracle. Is it possible to love two men equally?